Welcome to week 3. This week we'll be continuing our exploration of the ever-important faculty development responsibilities of the institution in general and the ID in particular. We will accomplish 2 outcomes: analyzing the faculty development program at your institution and proposing revisions to improve the effectiveness of the faculty development program. We'll have only one activity this week. In your post, you will summarize your faculty development program choices for us and explain why you proposed the changes you did. You'll include any documents you use to help inform your choices. Also, you will identify and discuss at least 2 issues not directly related to content that have an impact on faculty development at your institution and propose some possible solutions or ideas that you have to address them. Please be sure to respond to at least 2 of your colleagues' initial posts, providing them with feedback on their faculty development program design document. Enjoy!